You may have seen one of our short videos, which is mistakes you do when planning your day. You may ask, Jada, we're all aware of the mistakes we make while planning our day. What about how to solve the actual problem? Well, welcome my friend, because you'll get what you're asking for in this video. Before we proceed, I'm Jada, the CMO and co-founder here at Before Sunset. Before Sunset is the ultimate productivity solution for busy professionals and teams. Honestly, it is everything you need for deep work: to-do lists, calendar views, note-taking, time tracking, focus mode, and more. Before we start, why don't you pause the video and go check out Before Sunset at usebeforesunset.com and let us know what you think. Now that we got that out of the way, we can begin. The first mistake most of us do is treating our to-do list as wish lists. But what we need to understand is that we can't write down a task that will take us, let's say, 10 hours to do and add other tasks on top of that, because we're only human in the end. What can you do instead? You can be realistic, like brutally realistic about your day. Don't overbook your day or week. This will help you avoid an overwhelming and achieve your goals. You can set realistic deadlines for each task, and that will help you stay on track and avoid the feeling of overwhelming that comes from having too much to do. You can also break down tasks into smaller steps. If a task seems overwhelming or difficult, break it down into smaller steps. This will make it easier to tackle and help you feel a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. The second mistake we do a lot is multitasking. When you try to do too many things at once, you may not be able to focus on any one task fully, and you may make mistakes or even miss important deadlines. What we recommend as a solution is that you can try prioritizing. Identify and focus on the most essential tasks on your to-do list first. Rather than attempting to multitask, complete one task before moving on to the next. Still multitasking? Then minimize distractions. Turn off notifications and minimize distractions like social media, email, or other applications that can interfere with your focus. That also didn't work? Then try batching similar tasks together. What does that mean? It means grouping similar tasks together so you avoid switching between different types of tasks. The third mistake is putting off hard tasks. As Mark Twain puts it, if it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. You need to try eating the frog first. Not literally. Putting off hard tasks is a common problem that can lead to procrastination and a feeling of overwhelm. Here are some point solutions to help you overcome this problem. Set a timer for a short amount of time, like 25 minutes, and work on the task for that time period. And visualize the outcome. It can help motivate you to take action and work through any challenges that may arise. The fourth mistake is planning unnecessary meetings. Hey, we mean it when we say this could have been an email or a Slack message. Planning unnecessary meetings can waste time and be a drain on productivity. Here's how to solve this problem. First, set a clear agenda. Before scheduling a meeting, set a clear agenda for what will be discussed and achieved during the meeting. This will help ensure that the meeting is focused and essentially productive. Then, invite only essential participants. This will help keep the meeting small and focused and prevent unnecessary interruptions and distractions. Set a time limit for the meeting and stick to it. Schedule meetings strategically and follow up on action items after the meeting is a way to ensure that progress is being made and that the meeting was productive. So, here you go. Problem solved. The fifth mistake is failing to prioritize. We have offered a prioritization solution to some other problems. But what if we fail at this exact step and it itself becomes a problem? What everyone prioritizes differ from one another, but what I am going to suggest might really work for you. So listen up. First, identify the most important tasks to your goals and focus on those first. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you're making progress towards your goals. Then, create a to-do list for each day and prioritize the tasks based on their importance and urgency. This can help you stay organized and focused throughout the entire day. The seventh mistake is not taking enough breaks. The solution to this problem is within. You need to take breaks to be more productive. Don't want to hurt anyone's feelings, but you're not a robot. You can't constantly do work. Give yourself some time to relax between meetings, tasks, or whatever you have on your agenda. The eighth and final mistake is not considering your energy levels. This problem leads to burnout, fatigue, and lack of productivity. To overcome these, you first need to identify your most productive hours. By doing that, you can complete your most important tasks during those hours and be satisfied with them. Eating a balanced diet, working out regularly, taking a vacation, or some time off when needed are some great ways to cope with the situation. Let us know in the comment section if these solutions help you. Also, don't forget to visit us at beforesunset.ai. Have a productive day, everyone. See you at the next one.